Hi, where are you going?
We're going to the bird shop to get my Indian ringneck.
How long you take? Wait.
I've been waiting for 6 months to get my bird, and I'm finally getting it.
Okay, let's go now.
Let's go.
This extra special, ordinary love is more than I have.
We're here to pick up my bird.
It's so simple, it's simply confusing. It's calm and it's wild and it's simply amusing.
My bird.
In the shallow water sway, just to be so deeply swept away. It's hard not to love you, so hard that it's easy. I'm flying, I'm floating, I'm falling completely. You will never be my sometimes. You will always be my sunshine. It's certainly impossible to almost never not love you. You will forever be my always. You'll forever be my always.
무섭지. 괜찮아, 괜찮아. 무서워하지 마. 집에 가서 큰 케이크, 좋아하는 케이크 사는데 잘 살아. 우리 같이 잘 살아자. 같이 오래
You do know how to speak Korean.
Only a
When
little
you
bit.
forget to
Really?
remember who you are, my broken
Oh wow, I can't read or write though.
pieces will make you all darling.
Yeah.
We're mostly slightly, somewhat completely, for good, yeah, for keeps. Yes, we're in this so sweetly. You will never be my sometimes. You will always be my sunshine. It's certainly impossible to almost never not love you. You will forever be my always. You'll forever be my always. Don't you know, for all my days, you'll always be my always. You'll be my always. You know, it's certainly impossible to almost never not love you. You will forever be my always. You'll forever be my always.
산치고 가, 산치고.
This extra special, ordinary love is more than I have ever known. To me, it's so simple, it's simply confusing. It's calm and it's wild and it's simply amusing. I've waited in the shallow water sway, apologize to.